today.
Are you filming me?
Yep.
Can you not? Can you actually not?
People like when you say that.
I'm actually serious. Guys, stop.
We're going to Phuket. We have an early morning flight to Phuket.
Film
And
yourself.
yeah, that's what today's plan is. Christmas Day in Phuket for the next 3 days with my lady and her cool hat. And I'm just here chilling out. Pretty big airport for domestic flights. And we'll be what?
When you
That's yesterday me photobombing a monk.
I'm taking a selfie.
So we're going to Patong, and yeah, we're gonna be having some 3 days there and some fun. So guess you'll catch us when we land. See you guys in a bit. We have landed in Phuket, and there's my name. And now I feel like I'm rich and famous, even though I look like a scruff. Don't you feel glamorous in your hat and glasses? Anyway, next stop is to our hotel. The sun is coming out, so that's good. And yeah, maybe the beach is on our itinerary. See you guys in a bit. We've arrived in our hotel in Phuket. And yeah, nice room. But our flight was a little late, so now we missed our buffet breakfast. We're still gonna try to see if maybe we can get it. But yeah, so far things look nice.
That's huge.
But it's two, like I said, it's two singles pushed together.
Yeah. So she just give it to us.
Or maybe that's what it is and you can separate it. I don't know.
There's a big gym.
It has a bench, it has some
Heck yeah.
dumbbells. And we got a private balcony with people right beside us. Very nice looking area. We're close to the beach. And now it's time to have fun. Well, I guess first of all, Merry Christmas! Anyway. After us missing breakfast. After us missing breakfast. Whoa, that's too close. After us missing breakfast? What?
Oh, there's a guy in the gym. He's a dad.
We got something to eat at this place. I got a nice sweet and sour chicken. Tara got...
And I got something stupid.
What did you get?
Pancakes, but
3. Oh, the key. We just locked ourselves out.
no, because your girlfriend's smart.
Oh.
And I have the key.
So now we're just making our way to our private villa. That's our private pool. It's really not. We're gonna make our way to the beach and have some fun. Right now we're just chilling at Patong Beach. It's a really nice vibe out here. Everyone's out enjoying themselves. Tara's out in the water. I'm doing my black Santa hat thing. My glasses broke, so the sun is blinding me right now. Well, they never broke, just the screw fell out. And yeah, just out here enjoying the vibe, enjoying the people. Very, very crowded with all the tourists, but yeah, it's cool. So me and Tara plan to go on a jet ski. This time, oh, that water's loud. I'm gonna be the driver. Years ago, we went to Mexico and she was the driver and drove like Miss Daisy. I'm going to catch some waves and she might fall off.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Out here on the jet skis, going crazy. Shouldn't be doing this. So we just came back from the jet skis, which was super fun, except near the end when they called us back in. Well, it was still fun. Tara fell off.
Not fell. Flew off. Flew off the back of the jet ski and smashed my face into the water. And now my sunglasses are gone.
So the guy was calling us in and he said follow his like path, and then he made a turn and I couldn't turn fast enough, so his wave knocked us off. Tara was telling me to slow down and we were slowing down. We started slowing down from 78, then we fell off at exactly 71. And yeah, I don't know.
Why you were paying so much attention to the speedometer?
Because you were saying slow down. That's why I slowed down. Yeah, and then I don't know how I stayed on. I thought I'm not a good swimmer, so I was like, I'm gonna die out there. And then yeah, I couldn't get the emergency latch back on, so she was kind of stranded. And
Yeah, swimming out in the middle.
then the guy had to come save her.
Get on the back of a little high man jet ski and hold on to his naked belly. After I pulled my fat self up on the back of the jet ski.
It was really funny when you look back at it. But yeah, we have like all these
Oh, really?
battle stars.
So funny.
Show them your cut. And she has a cut there. You were laughing the whole time. Even when you fell off, you were laughing.
I wanted to be pissed at you because I expected you to think I had like your hand, your throat in my hand. You had to look like, oh no, I'm in trouble.
No, I knew you weren't going to do that because you can swim.
That's not the point of me swimming. I smacked my face out of the water at 71 kilometers.
I saw when you hit too. You're- I literally saw it because I looked over because I thought I was going off. So I looked to the left and I saw you like, and you literally went, and then then that's when I realized the thing was off. I was trying to turn and it didn't turn. I was like, oh, it's off. And then I was like, how do I get this back?
Anyway, I'm glad my nails didn't break. That's worth it.
Anyway, after all that, the guy's like, oh yeah, I saw you fell. Did you lose anything? Do you want to go parasailing? But yeah, maybe parasailing tomorrow. But that was fun. It's a memorable Christmas day.
At my expense.
You'll never forget that one.
I won't. At least it was at the end.
Yeah. Well, that's why it was his wave. Look how fast we got
It
up.
wouldn't matter if it. Well, yeah, it would because you don't
I
know how to
couldn't
get
get off
it
the
back.
yeah.
We're all the way up by the cruise ship. Nobody would even see me fall off.
No, because you can't see out there. But yeah, we got up to 90. We got up to 90. What did I say that time? 90. Yeah, I think we got up to 94 one time, and nothing happened, and we were safe. So just a misfortunate turn. But anyway,
Unfortunate.
misfortunate. Yeah, misfortune. Yeah,
Unfortunate.
unfortunate.
Misfortune.
Misfortune. I don't know. It was unfortunate, but it was fun. Maybe tomorrow we'll do some parasailing. It's she wants to terrify me. Yeah, we literally were all that way to the ship and around, and now you can see the beautiful sunset, which looks pretty cool. This is the restaurant we just ate at, El Gaucho. It's an Argentina restaurant. Pretty cool atmosphere and vibe, and really good food. We really haven't had any bad food since we've come here, and I'm happy. So as you can see, this is not Phuket. I lost another ending of the video real time, so I'm making up for this, even though this video is late. But yeah, Christmas Day was really good. Tara fell off the jet ski. She's at work right now, so she's missing out on this. But yeah, she fell off the jet ski. But yeah, it was a great time in Phuket to spend it for Christmas. Definitely would recommend it. And yeah, so